Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is now a new creation. That's why sabi ng Panginoon, we must know our identity. That's why the Lord is saying, learn from me. God wanted to transform you. God wanted to rebuild again a new identity in Christ. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is now a new creation. The old thing has gone, the new things has come. 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17. Pag ikaw ay binago na ng Panginoon at nandun pong lahat ng mga bagay na matay na, nandun na sa grave, don't let your life na bumalik ka ulit doon sa dati mong buhay sapagkat ikaw ay bagong nilalang kay Kristo. Ang mga iba, they have now their new identity, but they have the tendency na ukayin pa yung kanilang mga dating buhay. That's why sometimes umaalingasaw yung baho ng nakaraan. Don't let your life to be contaminated by the information by this world. Kailangan po, you must have a true transformation of your life. Surrender your life to the Lord. But when I come to know the Lord in my life, I surrendered, I repented of all those sins. Now I am a new creation in Christ.